Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And yes, it's time to call out the names of the winners of the ACD car dashboard 2. My man got down on this one as he always done, but with this particular watch face, my man got super creative with it. I loved it. You all loved it. It shows in the views. And I want to thank you all for supporting this guy, his channel, and his page, all right? But we got to thank ACD for donating all the many codes that he has donated, not only to the US, but pretty much the country worldwide. So ACD, thank you as always, my friend, and continue to do the great work that you are doing. Now, let's go ahead, get you in, get you out. We're going to call out the names of the winners only for the US and also for Australia, okay? Now, all the other countries, we're going to leave a list of all the watch face codes at the end of the video. You don't have to email me or anything like that. But for those of you all who I got your email, and I'm talking about the people from the US, I'm going to give you yours. All the others who I've never given a watch face code to, you got to email me at rawjay7@gmail.com. Cool? With that, let's go ahead, let's get started with calling out the names. Now, number one is gonna be OZ Bell in the building. We got Jackie, we got Flesh 10, we got OZ Bell, we got Jackie, we got Flesh 710, we got Adrian in the building, we got June, we also got Jonathan, we got Kryptonia, we got Sonja, and we got Super Hoffman, which I haven't seen in a while. Super, hit me and let me know everything is a-okay. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. Again, thank you for supporting this guy. This guy gets down. I'm glad you didn't sleep on him. And with that, I got to get out of here. I got many more videos to shoot. And if you could do me a favor, share this video, all my videos on social media, help Huck's World to grow just a little bit more. And with that, I love you guys. Thank you for all the loyalty and the support on Huck's World. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.